Hi friends, now we are going to see how to get inputs from users. Okay, so as long as now we have just used several variables in another programs where we actually assign the values to it directly. But what if we need to get inputs from users? So how we are going to do that? So in order to do this, we have input of function. So here in this example, I have taken a variable color, and color is equal to input of what is your favorite color. So in this input of function, we have to pass inside the prompt, which is telling the users what are the details that they need to enter there. Okay, so your prompt need to be very clear so that users won't get confused on what to enter there. Okay, so just take care on writing a clear and direct prompt. So yes, that's it. And now users will enter. So now I'm just entering yellow here, and in second line, so I'm just going to print it using an f string. So f string already I have taken, so I'll include the same video link in the description box. If you doesn't know how to use f string, just go and see that and come back. If not, you can just follow it. And yes, so using f string, I have given the output. Okay, your favorite color is what I have entered, it is yellow. So the color is replaced with the value that I entered, so it is yellow. And next comes number. Number is another variable that I have taken, and here using the same input function, I am just asking the user to enter what is their favorite number. So now I am entering here 5. Okay, using the same f string concept, I have printed the output. Okay, your favorite number is this. Fine. Now comes the tricky part. Now I just feel like I have to add +2 with that number. Whatever number the users are entering, I need that number to be added with another 2 points. So if I'm going to do the same, like in order to do that, I have taken a variable, a result is equal to number +2, and I'm going to print the result. Boom. Yes, we got an error. So why so in sense? Because the input function, it always takes in only the string value. Okay, so whatever thing you enter through input function, it is always a string. So if we want other data types, or we need to change our data types, we have to do that inside our program. Okay, so we have to perform arithmetic operation here, but we cannot do any arithmetic operation on string data type, right? So in order to confirm that, you can just give like type of number. So number, type of, if the function, it will tell you what is the data type the past variable is. Okay, so now we receive it a string, so you can clearly see. So now in order to perform arithmetic operation, what we have to do? Yes, we have to convert our data type to integer. And as you always know, yes, in order to change the number to integer, we have to use int of function. So now once again, I'm attempting to do the same operation, like result is equal to int of number +2. Now, if I'm going to print the result, we are just going to get the desired output and no issues occurs. So always keep in mind, friends, that input of function, whatever the users are entering, the value is always string. So after getting that value, we have to convert it according to our needs. So yes. So you please practice this and write your own programs and just play around with this. So that's it for today. So friends, join me in this journey of learning. Bye bye. Take care.